We're diving into the thyroglobulin, TG, test in immunohistochemistry, a crucial test for diagnosing thyroid-related conditions. Let's get started. Pre-test Before undergoing a thyroglobulin, TG test, there are a few essential pre-test steps to be aware of. First, make sure to provide a copy of the histopathology report. This report provides detailed information about the tissue's microscopic appearance, which is crucial for accurate diagnosis. Additionally, you must inform the lab about the site of biopsy and provide a comprehensive clinical history. These details are vital for pathologists to understand the context of the test and interpret the results accurately. Specification of DE test. The thyroglobulin, TG, test is a highly specific immunohistochemistry test used primarily for identifying differentiated thyroid carcinoma. The TG protein is produced by thyroid follicular cells, making it a precise marker for thyroid tissue. This test is instrumental, especially when assessing metastatic sites for thyroid cancer presence. Disease is associated with the TG test. The thyroglobulin, TG, test is commonly associated with diagnosing differentiated thyroid carcinomas. This includes conditions like papillary and follicular thyroid cancers. While it's a highly specific marker for these types of cancers, it's important to note that TG is not very sensitive for poorly differentiated thyroid carcinomas. For these cases, the TG test is often used in combination with TTF1, another thyroid-specific marker, to enhance diagnostic accuracy. Specimen used. For the thyroglobulin, TG test, the specimen required is typically a tissue biopsy from the thyroid or a metastatic site. The biopsy provides a sample of the tissue, where the pathologist will look for the presence of TG protein using specific antibodies. Componentes antibody test. The TG test involves using antibodies that specifically bind to the thyroglobulin protein in the tissue sample. This test also includes a series of controls and stains to ensure the specificity and accuracy of the results. When performed, the stained tissue sections are examined under a microscope by a pathologist who will look for the presence and distribution of the TG protein. Test report time. Now let's talk about the timeline. The test report for the thyroglobulin, TG, test typically takes about 7 days. This time frame allows for the careful processing of the biopsy sample, staining, and thorough examination by a pathologist. Test information RECAP. To recap, the thyroglobulin, TG, test is a highly specific test used in diagnosing differentiated thyroid carcinomas, particularly at metastatic sites. However, it's not a very sensitive marker for poorly differentiated thyroid cancers, which is why it's often paired with the TTF1 test for a more comprehensive analysis.